What's going on, guys? Bruno here at Bruno's Classic Car Garage. I'm just making some brackets for the wires right now, spark plug wires, like little holders, and I'm just gonna maybe do a few little videos like just to kind of take you through the process here, what I'm doing, because I got to cut these out, as you can see here. Had a template, and I made a template, and I actually got one on there that's on there right now on the car, but I made a bunch of, I need two for each side, and so I got to cut them out and then trim them all up. I'll clamp them all together, trim them all up together so that they're all exactly the same. And then I gotta, once I'm done that, I'm gonna put them on, make sure they're all good on the car here. Make sure they all fit, because there is a bit of a tight clearance, like right in here where it goes into the curve back there. But as you can see, I've got my little Moroso plastic, the little holder on the tab there. So as you can see, two of those brackets will have to be bent up on the back, and then the opposite on the other side. Well, I mean, one will be, you know what I mean, so that they're the same on both sides there. So that's about as good as I could come up with to get something to work for this. So then this will kind of look, basically, this one's not going to be on here, but it'll kind of look like this all the way down. And then they'll start tying in together here, because I want to be able to make the ends here today, so I got to get this done. And then once I'm done that, I'm going to take them to the, well, I got to clean them all up nice, buff them up real good, and then I got to take them to the plating tank there, and then put some zinc plating on them, and then I can put them on for the final time. So I'll show you guys all that stuff. So that's about it for now, and I'm going to pause this, and then I will continue this on here in a bit. All right. Okay, so I've got 4 of these cut out. Now I got to trim all the edges here, or take the burrs off them, and then I'm going to clamp these suckers together. And then I can, just kind of trim the edge off so that all 4 of them are identical. And then I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to, and then I got to bend 2 of these up, 2 of these down, and then I'm going to buff them all up, and then I'm going to take them to the tank. So back in a bit here. Okay, back again here with these little brackets. Alright, so I got them all done. They're all trimmed up and they're dressed up. They're sanded. I'm going to polish them a little bit because I want these to look good. Normally I would just buff them either with a buffing wheel or whatever, but I sanded these to 320. I'm going to give them a bit of a buff on the buffing head. And then I'm going to get them ready to do some plating. So there you have it. My little Moroso wire holder here fits like a glove on here. Like, I don't want to put it on now, I got to unclip it after, but so that's kind of what that's going to look like, sort of like that, only they'll be all plated and they'll look like $1,000,000, just like somebody bought them from the store. That's the beauty of having a zinc plating tank. When you do stuff like this, you can plate them and it looks professional. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a bit here. Hey guys, how you doing? Bruno here at Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Okay, I got the wires all done. Got my little brackets all done. I even got the little bracket here for my return spring for the carb. I haven't plated it yet. I still got to, do a little bit of massaging, smooth it out, and then I can zinc plate that. I don't know what you guys think. I think it looks kind of cool, but that's just me. Once it's plated, it'll look like it's supposed to be there, I guess. But yeah, I got the wires done, and I don't usually use these wires here. These are called Performance World, or PW, I guess that's the brand. Most of the stuff is a knockoff of something else. But usually they're pretty good parts. I mean, there's nothing wrong really with the wires themselves. They're not as good as the MSD ones, but they're plenty enough for these. Problem is, because of the way the motor is on this thing with the distributor in the front and cocked to one side, you need some pretty long wires from the passenger side, and they only give you 2 long wires in the kit. So there's a couple of them on here that they're going to be a little sketchy. I might have to, I don't know, I might have to get another kit, a complete kit, just to get the length of wires I need, because I highly doubt they're going to sell individuals. So pretty sure that's how it's going to work, because, you know, that's just how it is with this stuff. So that's kind of shitty. But nonetheless, it's all done. I got the brackets done. See, they're all plated nicely here. And they look nice and clean and ready to go. Top dead center, ready to fire here. All I got to do is I'm going to have to pull the distributor out again, actually, so I can prime it. Put some oil in there, prime it up, put it back in. So, you know, another thing to do. So that's all done. And so we're kind of a couple steps closer again here. And then I think I'm going to probably cut the ears off of this bracket here, because there used to be a pollution pump on here. I think I'm going to cut the ears off of here, this one and this one. Probably just come straight from the bottom there. Take that right off. Because the power steering pump mounts down here, right here, and it adjusts here. So I definitely don't need that. It's just going to kind of look weird when we're done. So everything's a freaking mess in here right now. Every time you're doing all these little things, you got parts and tools and crap all over the place. So yeah, check it out. I don't know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty good. Other than, like I say, there's a couple of short ones kind of pulling this. I would like to have this down a little bit more here, but I might have to piss around with that a little bit later on here, I guess. So that's pretty much it for that, I suppose. Oh yeah, and then on these Performance World wires, they don't give you the little crimping tool in the kit like the MSD does. So if you don't have the actual tool, you know, the crimper from MSD, like the plier style deal that cuts it and crimps it and all that stuff, I guess you're gonna probably have to either buy a tool, or I don't know, just to let you guys know, if somebody's looking to get these, be aware they don't have that little tool in there. So that's it. That's all, guys. It's Sunday. It's just about 4 o'clock, and I think I'm gonna call it a day today. Go home and make some fish and chips, homemade fish and chips. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. I guess I will talk to you later.